I have a question for you. Are you wasting hours manually processing hundreds of payments to affiliates, freelancers, or employees scattered around the globe? Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, as stated, welcome back to the channel. I would like to introduce you to none other than Cryptomus. You heard that correct. We're talking about trade cryptocurrencies on the Cryptomus exchange. Not only that, you guys, but they also have a lot of benefits. So we're talking about a manual B2B payment processing for large remote teams, sprawling affiliate networks, or global freelancers. Typically is considered a massive, expensive drain on company time and also on resources. Now, whenever it comes to, say, traditional banking, it imposes arbitrary limits, agonizing delays, and exorbitant international wire fees that frustrate your contractors and slow down your overall operations. You heard that correct. So if we actually take a look here, you guys, whenever it comes to Cryptomus, if you go right here to payments, you'll see right here they have what is known as mass payouts. You heard that correct, you guys. Very important, all right? So I want you guys to understand that you can actually completely eliminate this administrative nightmare by utilizing a dedicated mass payout interface designed specifically for enterprise level scale. So instead of technically processing invoices one by one and waiting days for settlement, you can actually manage and execute your entire global payroll from a single streamlined dashboard. All right, which is actually really cool. Okay. So something else that you're going to like about this, you guys, is that whenever it comes to these massive payouts, the platform actually allows you to bypass manual data entry entirely by uploading a simple standard CSV file directly into the system. All right, which is actually really awesome. Okay. But something else I would like to mention, you guys, is that whenever it comes to this, that technically by organizing recipient wallets and payout amounts in a basic spreadsheet, which is what a lot of people do, right? Takes up a lot of time, a lot of resources, right? You got to look at a lot of different things. Well, I want you guys to understand that you can trigger hundreds or even thousands of simultaneous error-free transactions with a single click. You heard that correct, you guys. All right. So technically, you empower your business to pay anyone in the world in a matter of minutes rather than actually taking weeks. All right. So neither you nor your recipients have to deal with correspondent banks taking a massive cutout of the payment, ensuring your team gets exactly what they earn. All right, so you guys can actually see right clicks and there's no codes needed. All right, which is pretty cool. Okay, now I want you guys to understand that the system, it is built to effortlessly handle the strain of tens of thousands of daily transactions, as I kind of just showed you. But this is all done without lagging, freezing, or without crashing, you guys. All right, now the security here, very important, right? It is paramount. So we're talking about with strict enterprise grade data encryption standards, fully protecting your company's sensitive payroll information. All right. So once again, very important you guys understand whenever it comes to Cryptomus, you guys, you can ditch the slow manual bank wires and use a CSV upload once. But not only that, whenever it comes to Cryptomus, you guys, we got crypto, we got markets. Okay, so buy crypto, markets, trade, you can even earn, and we got those payments, right? And they even got cards and rewards and so much more. So be sure to check it out. Alrighty, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Be sure to stop wasting your time on manual payments and exorbitant B2B transfer fees. So what do I mean? Well, click the link below to automate your mass payouts today. You heard that correct, you guys. It's going to be down below in the description. Not only that, be sure to smash up that like button, smash up the subscribe button, and leave a comment, and we will see you in the next video.